for pikin wey be number 4 for the family. They mostly be most of the time they be superstar.
True dreams with Lady T.
Hi everyone, welcome back to this YouTube channel, True Dreams with Lady T. Is your sister, your friend, is your girl. If this is your first time or you just didn't get post for YouTube or you dey watch, you never subscribe, please hit the subscribe button, click the notification bell so you can watch more of our videos, or you will just know anytime we put video for here. Thank you so much for coming around again. God bless you. So today we want to talk about Genevieve. You know, Genevieve now, for people who don't know Genevieve Nnaji, now lady wey be say very beautiful lady, and through this her life story, I know in every story there is always a lesson for us to learn. So I just pick, last time I talked about Mercy Johnson, so this time around that's okay, I pick Genevieve. I say me I just bring a story, and I know saying a story we will learn, especially our young ladies will learn from her story. First of all, for those people who don't know Genevieve now one quiet and lovely lady, beautiful woman that she be Nollywood superstar actress. She act where she acts with the Ramsey Noah, she acts with I think Patata, many people like that when be say she acts with that time Nollywood, they sit down gidigba, they watch her well, and a very beautiful lady. So her life story now wetin really they touch people, wetin people go really learn from, because she grew up in a family where we say the father and the mother, there be, I think there be 8 for the family, and she can't be number 4. If you mostly they watch her, any pikin will be number 4. Now they be superstar for family. Just watch all the family, choose number 4. Any pikin will be number 4 for the family. They mostly they be most of the time they be superstar. They come, they raise the family up later. So she be number 4. Her father na engineer, her mother na nursery school teacher, and she come from a very responsible, when you say family when you responsible, you will know. Seeing Genevieve alone, you will know say not be all these yahoo people. She be responsible and quiet lady like that. But just that wetin happen to her when she dey very young, I think she dey 17 when be say she born first pikin. She born for that very early age. And wetin come interest me for her story be say that's the pikin when be say she born, na only that pikin she can get now. So you know, sometimes life e dey get as e be. Just imagine that time when be say she take get that belle, that pregnancy, that time her parents come tell her say no, you too small, you must go school, go remove am. She can't remove am at that time, and now wetin she forget? Wetin she forget now? So that's why e no good to dey remove belle. You see, e no good. E no good, because you don't know how many God wan give you. You don't know. God fit give you one, that one go be 1 in a million. God fit give you 10, if he give you 5. So the one way he won't give you, that 1 in a million wey he won't give you, you can't be say you can't use your hand to remove at that time. What you will come talk last? Because the family supported her. They tell us make she not worry, make she born the pikin. After the pikin, she will continue as studies. And really, after the pikin no hold her at all. Pikin not the whole person. And now the man, no say the always they make this parable say, now the man when you get pikin for, now you dey born for. The pikin not disturb her at all, because I can see among all the Nollywood actress, not only she, now don't the kind of word when she don't carry, another person never carry, and another person never fit take that position up till now. I never see anybody when don't take that position for Nollywood when she don't take that time. Nobody don't replace her. We never see, but some they try, but they never see reach where she don't reach. She go far so much, and she carry many awards. She carry many awards, and she do so many adverts. So I can say she's a successful woman today. And even that pikin self, you don't even see grow, you don't marry. You see themselves, you don't know be mama, you don't know be pikin again. They look so much alike, everything the same about them. They be like twins. That rumor carry her. She date vice president, and she date the band. But when they interview her, she say yes, she date the band, but vice president she no date am. Me, I no know about that one, but now wetin come out from her mouth, now I really know say she dates the band, and their relationship not gonna work. You see why they talk say if you be public figure, if you anything about your relationship, no bring am open until una don marry. Before you come bring am open, make people know say na this person na you marry. Because if una never marry, una dey date, una bring am make everybody see am say na una dey date, hardly before that relationship dey work. Hardly, because talk e go too much for inside. So I believe that wetin happen between she and the band, maybe another thing happen sha, I no know. But after there, any relationship she keep again, keep her secret. Many people talk say she don marry for Portugal, the man, this and this. But at the end, we can't say na rumor. But she dey into relationship, we know. But whether she don marry, we no know. But everything about her, she suffer hide down, keep her secret, because wetin happen for goat house, no one may happen for fowl house again. Now make her she suffer keep her relationship secret for now, and I believe everything dey work out good for her. And one thing again wey I like about this Genevieve be say, upon her she get money reach, upon her she rain reach, you no see her say she change her color. That her chocolate, that her black skin chocolate color, e keep her kokoroko kakaraka, e no touch am. If na some people they don't dey famous like this, they don't get money like this, you see say they'll come dey white, they'll go change, they'll first of all go change their color, they'll say they're not fine rich, they'll go bleach. She no do such thing. So sef they'll go do front and backyard, she no do such thing. She just keep herself the way she be naturally. Now one thing wey be say I so much love about her, she maintain her color, she maintain herself, she no put for back, she no put for front, and she just be, and so she be. You know, when person get money, now you know wetin person really be. When money don dey come like this, you go come see say the person must come change. Because if you even watch her among all the actresses, now she dress pass. If you look the way she take dey dress, she dress so decent. She dey dress. I believe say she doesn't carry award for dressing. E not just a dress anyhow, she dress so decent and everything go fit her. Everything about that girl is unique. Sorry I say girl, because she don't be grandma now, if I'm not mistaken. Anything about Genevieve is unique. She dressed so corporate, so well. She dey dress so fine. If you see her dressing, you go admire her dressing. She no dey pack. You know, some people, if they don't get small change, you can see that they'll come pack thousands of gold to tell you say they get thousands of gold. If you see Genevieve, she know they wear past anything small, tiny gold like this. To even see big ones, if they had tiny one, you go be like say she no even wear. You go suffer wear for them, suffer put her small earring for them. She don't dey go. If she want buy many gold, not be the money be the problem. She looks so simple. Because person when you get money, when you know they bring himself, come out, they pack, put for body like others. You know say this person na correct person. Even when she dey hat that time for Nollywood, they go even give her a shower part. She go hat that her shower part so well, but you never see her naked her body like others they do. When the one hat her shower part, they just want show say they be na the kukuma be, they go just naked all show everything when they get for body. She don't hat her shower part well, but you don't see her say you see her body naked. You get the way she sit the arranger and she go act am perfectly. That lady is so unique. She's so unique. So Genevieve now somebody when be say many people they look onto, and you know 4 people hands. So I know say through this her story when I don't talk here, we will pick 1 or 2 things, especially that one of the pikin when be say she take born early age and the pikin not stop her. So this one now lesson to many of our ladies when be say they teenager. If you know say you, I know say mona go the jogodo, make pikin come enter, you can't say you want to do like Genevieve, all head not be the same. I know say mona the jogodo, but if something come like this by mistake, try to leave the baby, because you don't know pikin will go do for you tomorrow, and you don't know how many God want give you. Many people don't make mistake. Stories dey here now wey be say they'll say the time wey dey hard and so they remove one till now they not see again. Similar story dey like that. So I just wan use this Genevieve story to encourage anybody wey be say if you know say you never ready, no just ready, no just do. But if you know say the thing just come coincident or na mistake e take come, no try to touch am, leave am, because you don't know how many you go get tomorrow and you don't know. So people dey wey be say they don do 10 times, they still marry, they still see. So you don't know how many God wan give you. Everybody body not be the same. So if you just dey like that, say na mistake e take come, you not prepare for am, na mistake e take come, try to leave am. Try to leave am. Use this Genevieve on take it. So my people, what do you think about this video, about this Genevieve story wey I talk about? I just say a little about her story. So many people they don't know about her real story. That's why I just bring am up to tell people say despite say she born for early time, but that will not disturb her make she not still pursue her career. She still go school, she do everything what she want do. So what do you think about this video? Please just leave your comments down there and just leave your comment down there. What you think about Genevieve and what you think about this video? If I use any word maybe say I not talk well, I'm throw me and take me entire house. That's why I'm your sister, I'm your friend, I'm your girl, I'm your pikin. Anyway, you call me, I did there for you. And if you never subscribe, don't forget to hit that red button and click the notification bell so you will know anytime we put video for you. And please share this video. Don't be stingy with this video. Share this video so that many of our ladies go pick from this Genevieve story. And again, that like button. Press that like button. That finger when you say press like, you up ever for you, backward never for you. Thank you so much and God bless you. See you on our next video. Bye.
If there is anything that is bothering you, my friend, please say it so others will learn. Bring it to True Dreams with Lady T, and God will be your strength. Bring it to True Dreams.